got one hell of a luxury bag collection, and I'm gonna take y'all to go see it. Yeah, we gotta go see it, because for security purposes, you think I'm gonna have a $300,000 luxury bag collection in this apartment? So here is my luxury bag collection worth over $300,000. Now don't click off, yo. I wanted to do a short vlog of me picking out a bag at Vivrel and wanted a fun way to show it to you, so here we go. Now you know you want to see what they have here and what I wound up getting, so keep watching. So I first heard about this place when I went to a Too Faced influencer event over the summer, and it was hosted here. Too Faced and Vivrel gifted us with the free month's membership, and initially I wasn't gonna get it because you need a 3-month commitment, and what the hell would I need to rent a bag for? But I saw they had the Dior book tote, and I had been contemplating getting that bag, but wasn't sure if I'd actually get much use out of it. Wound up not liking the book tote and then exchanged it for this Louis Vuitton bag, which I actually really loved. So after being in this showroom twice, and I had that Louis Vuitton bag for like a month and a half, and plus my history of buying luxury bags and then not really winding up using them much, then I started to be like, all right, this bag rental thing can be for me, even if it's just for this trial period. I mean, look at this selection of bags that they have here. So let me tell you how it works. Now, I don't know the ins and outs of this company. I will leave a link below so you can find that out for yourself. But after my first free month, I pay about $200 a month, and that allows me to rent bags from a certain tier. And then each month I can swap it out or keep it a little longer. But for me, myself personally, this is not a subscription that I would have for long term, because after a while that $200 a month is gonna add up. So after next month, I'm probably gonna just cancel. I'll see. Now, not everything is for everybody, because I'm sure you can figure out a bunch of other things that you can do with that $200 a month. But I'm feeling having this access to this many bags. I mean, I put 300,000 in the title and the thumbnail, but looking at all of these bags, this has to be worth well over 300,000. I don't know. You tell me. They had bags all in the drawers, in the back and whatnot. You tell me how much you think these bags are worth in the comments. After looking around and around, I kind of got drawn to this Louis Vuitton bag. Now the strap, I was like, is it adjustable? Because, 5'9". I need to be able to, have the strap. The strap got to be strapping, you know what I'm saying? So I couldn't do it crossbody. And then I kind of took it off and was like, oh, I wonder if I could wear this. It would be kind of big, but I wonder if I could kind of wear this as like a waist bag, but that was dumb. So then I was like, all right, gonna have to do this as a shoulder bag. Was like trying to figure out, do I want this bag? Do I not want this bag? But then I was like, you know what? Let me try it out. And that is one of the pros of a service like this. I get to try it out without a huge commitment. So at this point, I was like, you know what, Danielle? Go get that bag. So I went to go check out, and they said I couldn't get it because it was already rented. So I went back to look at more bags. I was coming up with nothing that I really liked. And I was like, girl, how much cash you got on you? Maybe you could slip a little something to the cashier so she can unrent that bag from the person who rented it online. I'm going to reveal what bag I got. But as I was leaving, I passed by this Brooklyn sample sale. And I was like, oh my God, because I love Brooklyn sheets. But they didn't have any colors that made sense for my bedroom. So I just wound up getting this big, comfy robe. So comfy. Then I headed over to the launch event for Keke Palmer's new podcast, Baby, This is Keke Palmer. Now, I've been to beauty events for over a decade, and I thought this was going to be like a sit-down thing, you little talk or whatever, but as you can see, it was a whole party. I was having a good time. I ran into a lot of my influencer friends, but I had just gotten my hair pressed, and I wasn't expecting to be sweating out my press, so I ran up out of there. And I'm also mad because when I came in, Keke Palmer was right there taking pictures with people, dancing with people and whatnot. And I called myself saying, let me give her some breathing room. Let me not just jump on her like that. And girl, by the time I turned around, Keke was gone. But I have gotten a chance to meet her before. She's the sweetest thing. And we're birthday twins. And, not the same year, but the same month and date. And now for a bag reveal. Drum roll, please. So it's actually been about a week and a half since I got this bag and I've been using it every day. Absolutely love it. I'm totally a crossbody, medium-sized bag kind of girl. I can't have anything too big. And I like the small bags, but the small bags aren't really like everyday bags for me. But like this and the other Louis Vuitton that I have, absolutely perfect for me for right now. Now, maybe blowing money fast on a luxury bag rental service ain't for you. But in this next video, I'm talking about wardrobe basics that you should never buy. They be telling you to buy it. I think you shouldn't buy it. Let's go argue about it in this next video, and I'll see you there.